Manufacturers' recommended services are vital to keep today's aging fleet of cars running smoothly. Scheduled maintenance is also typically high-profit, low-effort work. Customers want and need to know their vehicles are running in top order. With pre-built maintenance scheduled jobs, ALLDATA Manage Online makes it easy to add these jobs to a ticket, either for the current customer visit or as a future recommendation. In this video, we're going to see how to add factory-recommended service intervals to an estimate. We'll start with a customer and vehicle already on the ticket. To begin, we click Add Job Group. Then, Maintenance. For this example, we'll use the normal service table and select the 90,000-mile service. Here, we see the items that need to be inspected and replaced at this mileage. We can print this if we want. This is the labor time for the service. I'll click Add to put the labor time in the basket. To add the necessary parts to the basket, I'll click the AutoZone tab and scroll to the bottom of the page. Here is a list of all the parts which need to be replaced. From here, it's as easy as clicking the links and adding the parts to the basket. Once the parts are in the basket, we click Add to Document. And everything is added. At this point, we would naturally add the oil from our inventory to the estimate. We can click this icon to open the maintenance schedule document, which can be printed out for our tech or even emailed to the customer. That's all there is to adding these valuable and profitable jobs to an estimate. Thanks for watching. For more information on this or any of ALLDATA's products, visit our support site at alldataSupport.com or call one of the numbers on your screen.